In this video, I will quickly show you how to get paid on Stripe. First, go to the Stripe website and create a free account or sign in to your existing account. Once you are inside, go to Settings and add your payout details such as your bank account so you can receive money. Next, create a product, payment link, or subscription to charge your customers. Go to Products to create a product or use payment links to generate a payment link. After that, send the payment link to your customer or integrate Stripe into your website. When the customer makes a payment, the money will be added to your Stripe balance. After the payment is processed, Stripe automatically transfers the funds to your bank account. You can track your earnings in the Payments or Balance section of the dashboard. This makes receiving online payments simple and secure. And that's it. Now you know how to get paid on Stripe easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.